Hello YouTube, I'm back again. Right, I bought myself a new controller. It's called a fardriver. Right, it's a fardriver. This is a programmable controller. It is, I don't know anything much about this, but it's like a motorcycle one, because the amount of power that I've got going through that bike at the moment, even though it's 60 volts, it's probably going to blow that motor. The battery that I have, 75 amp hour, 84 volts, 21,000 watt battery, made by a guy that specializes in making batteries for forklift trucks. So I got him to cram as much amp hours and as much watts as he can using LiPo 4 batteries. When it comes, I will see what it's like, so I'll know when I get it running and tested. But this, in the meantime, is my new boy. So look at this. Right, the fardriver nd72890. Right, I'm not expecting it to be as big as it is, so I'm gonna have a bit of problem trying to squeeze this damn thing inside. The bike is really heavy though. It's fantastic. I like it. I mean, I've always liked these. It is really, really weighty. I'm gonna check and see if I can fit this inside the bike, because it looks pretty wide, and I wasn't expecting it to be as wide as this. I know they say it's for a motorcycle, and what I've actually got at the moment is just an e-bike. So I'll have to try and figure out how I'm gonna put this on, or how I'm gonna put it in. So fingers crossed. Let me put this here for a second. It's got a big heatsink on it. I was not expecting it to be as big as this. It's absolutely massive. So when you see they show you them on other electric bike channels on YouTube, you're thinking that they're putting on, oops, it's me smashing the house down, just to try and get the damn bike out. Right, here you go. As you see, this is the old controller. Now, this is the new one, so there's a big difference. Look how wide that is. Right, so I'm gonna have to, it's really heavy. So I'm thinking, okay, well that's good. Well, that fits. Yeah, that's plenty good. That fits in there. I'm happy with that. I'm probably gonna have to stick it somewhere up the top up here, up on this underside up here, because the battery that's coming is really big. So it's about 40 centimeters. So the battery that's coming is 40 centimeters. So from this wall here to about there, the battery's gonna come. So it's, you can see it's a pretty big battery. So 210 millimeters, which is 21 centimeters, is gonna be from here probably to about there. So that's a pretty big size, and it's 140 millimeters, which is 14 centimeters, which sits exactly right in here. So yeah, this will be a very interesting fit when everything all comes together. So in the meantime, yeah, I'll just wait and see, because I'm still waiting for the battery to turn up. And once it turns up, then I will figure out what goes where and how it can be done, and as tasteful as it can be. But wow, this controller is absolutely, it's heavy. This is really heavy. I was not expecting it to be like this. Really cold, really cold. So this thing looks like it can actually really dissipate heat pretty good. I'm happy with it. I'll just see. All I can do is wait and see whatever else comes with it. It's got an app. But you know, what's this? Let's see if there's any. Look at that. Typical Chinese stuff. Don't come with no booklet to show you how to operate it. Fantastic. This come to about 328 US dollars, which is about 230 something pound in English. Well, so far so good. I like it. I'll just do some more looking into this thing and see how it works. So for now, just thought I'd let you know. Impressive.